Hi, kids. Guess who? Yep, it's me, yours truly, Woody Woodpecker. The woodpeckinest woodpecker that ever pecked wood. If you'd like to see me, look on page 1 in your picture book. I'm going to have an amateur talent show for you, and I'll act as the master of ceremonies. All you have to do to see the show is turn the page whenever I laugh. Ready? Like this. There. If you turn the page, you should be on page 2. And first on the show are the 3 little pigs. Are you ready, pigs? Okay, the 3 little pigs singing the Blue Danube Waltz.
Oi, 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 oi. 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 Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi.
Thank you, 3 little pigs. Remember, when I laugh, you turn the page. And now we're ready for the next act. Look, it's Stanley Squirrel. Go ahead, Stan.
I shall recite the village blacksmith. 'Neath the spreading chestnut tree, the village smithy stands. 'Neath the spreading chestnut tree, the village smithy stands. 'Neath the spreading chestnut tree...
Hey, wait a minute. You keep coming back to that chestnut tree all the time.
Of course I do. I'm a squirrel, and yum, yum, love those chestnuts.
Well, let's get on with the show. Next we have...
Mr. Woodpecker! Oh, Mr. Woodpecker!
Sit down, Billy Goat. You're not on yet, Billy.
But I've got the best act, Mr. Woodpecker.
That's fine, Billy, but you'll have to wait your turn. Sit down, I'll call you. Our next act is Plato, the duck-billed platypus. What a name, duck-billed platypus. And there he is. So you're a duck-billed platypus.
Yeah! I'm a platypus.
All right, let's have your song. Plato, the duck-billed platypus singing the platypus song.
Oh, I'm a pesky platypus with a bill just like a duck. I come from way down under, and boy, am I in luck. For being a pesky platypus with a nose as long as mine, I never need to take a bath, where I always smell just fine.
And now, we have here Miss Thomasina Cat, who is going to sing that lovely old song, Oh Sole Mio. Okay, go ahead, Miss Cat. Well, of all things, look what's next. A talking dog. Hello, Fido. Are you really a talking dog?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. What is the top of a house called? That's right, a roof. Now another question. When you feel sandpaper, how does it feel?
Roof, roof, roof.
That's right. It feels rough. Now one more question. What is the outside covering of a tree called?
Bark, bark, bark.
Bark. That's it. Bark covers the outside of the tree. Thank you, Fido the talking dog. what's next. The Fantail Sisters. 3 little goldfishies who sing underwater, right in their goldfish bowl. Go ahead, girls. Thank you, girls. Those certainly were liquid notes. Now we have Happy Hedgehog and his little shaver. What could that be?
The little shaver's my electric razor. It can hum any tune at all. A regular humdinger.
Swell, Happy, and what's it gonna hum for us?
Well, Mr. Woodpecker, it's had the hiccups ever since it came in. Guess it's thirsty. So I'll have it try How Dry I Am.
Okay, I see you have it plugged in, so take it away. Swell, Happy, swell. And now the time has come for the most colossal, the most wonderful...
Mr. Woodpecker. Oh, Mr. Woodpecker.
Oh, no, get back there, Billy Goat. It's still not your turn yet.
But, Mr. Woodpecker, you're wasting time. I told you I've got the best act. It's fantastic.
Okay, but not now. Go back and sit down. Now, let's see. I was saying that now comes the time for the best, the most wonderful act of all. I am going to sing a song. What kind of wood would a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker would peck wood? He'd peck hardwood, softwood, redwood, dogwood, cottonwood, plywood, hickory, beech, rosewood, teakwood, sandalwood, and candlewood, walnut, hazelnut, apple, and peach. In oak trees, elm trees, fir trees, pine trees, pear trees, shoot trees, telephone poles, barn doors, benches, tabletops, and fences, a woodpecker would peck a little holes. The next act is Louie the Loon Bird. Hi, Louie. What are you going to sing? All right. I'd like you to sing Way Down Upon the Swanee River.
Where's the Swanee River?
Down south.
Oh, well, I'd better get started then. So long.
Hey, you won't reach the Swanee River that way. You're going north.
Okay, so I'll do it the hard way. Goodbye, yay, yay.
Well, now I know why they call that bird a loon. Now we have Carl Caterpillar and his tap dance. 98 dancing feet attached to one body. Okay, Carl, you're on. Well, look who's coming. Harry the Humbug. Harry the Humbug knows a lot of good jokes. Tell us one, Harry.
Okay. Here's one about two men, Pat and Mike. It seems that Pat and the
Okay, that's all, Harry. Goodbye. Here, take him off. Harry knows a lot of jokes, but he can't ever tell them. He enjoys them too much. Look, it's Wally Walrus and his violin. What are you going to play, Wally?
He don't been going to play anything.
Then why did you bring your violin?
He don't play this violin. This violin used recites.
Your violin recites?
Yeah, she been gonna recite Mary Had a Little Lamb. Go ahead, violin. Oh, she's bashful. Come on, violin, please recite. Please, please. Good. The violin will now recite Mary Had a Little Lamb.
The lamb was sure to go. Mr. Woodpecker! Mr. Woodpecker!
Oh, it's you, Billy Goat.
Yeah, could I do my act now, Mr. Woodpecker?
Okay, go ahead, Billy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I shall now run 50 yards with my head lowered and butt my head into the brick wall over there, smashing it to pieces. Ready? Here I go.
There he goes, folks, right for the wall. Ooh, look at him go. He's going to hit it. He did it. Billy, come on over here. That was spectacular. Congratulations. You can perform that act for us every week, Billy.
No,
Why not? That was wonderful.
no.
Oh, come on, Billy. Why won't you do it again?
Well, that was the first time I ever tried it, and it's no good. It hurts my head.
Well, folks, that's the end of our entertainment. This is your master of ceremonies, Woody Woodpecker, saying goodbye until the next show. When is the next show? Well, that's up to you. You can start these records whenever you want to.